It's not recording.
Yeah.
Fuck, you got me singing? Dang, I did not curse. Don't tell me who's gonna watch this. Why not even? Never mind.
Get it in there. You get that paint in there. I should have recorded before we did the walls. It was really, really dirty and ugly. It was like this gray, and it was dirty like that. But now you see what color the walls are. It's like a bone white. We had to hook it up all the way around. I should have shot. Look at the roof. We're gonna fix that too. And it was a lot of stuff in here too that we had to pull out to get to all this. This is what we pulled out the janitor's closet. That little closet that we're in right now. We just pulled this out. Yep, sure did. Painted the walls. Oh, we ain't gonna do nothing with that brown thing. Need to paint these things or something. Just dirty, wash them off or something. Now we're about to paint the floor. You can see the floor. Pretty horrible. And what color we're painting it? Blue. So we're cutting it in right now. See Mark mix some spots.
So I mix it?
No, miss.
Oh.
That's probably, you know.
No, I was gonna come back.
Like that. You can't really see it on the camera.
I can see it. Look at all that. It's your damn brush.
Yeah.
Can't hit this shit.
I'll get back to y'all when we get done.